The Compromise of 1850 and the Missouri Compromise by Adam, Matt, Caroline, and Chrissy.
When dinosaurs roamed the earth.
Time skip! The Missouri Compromise and the Compromise of 1850 were meant to stop the Union from falling apart. They were both proposed by Henry Clay, who was also known as the Great Compromiser. He was well respected and a very important man in history, though not a well-known one. He saved the U.S. from destruction many times with his ingenious proposals. History would be very different had Henry Clay never existed. The Missouri Compromise was in reaction to Missouri wanting to be added as a state of the U.S. The Northerners didn't want Missouri to join because Missouri, as they were in the South, would want to be a slave state and would throw off the balance in Congress. The Southerners were worried that the North would form a majority in Congress and ban slavery. Thomas Cobb was quoted saying,
"If you persist, the Union will be dissolved. You have kindled a fire which all the waters of the ocean cannot put out, which seas of blood can only extinguish."
After many months of heavy argument in Congress, Henry Clay proposed that Missouri be added as a slave state, and Maine, which had wanted to be added as a state for some time, was added as a free state. The Missouri Compromise also said that no slavery would be allowed north of the 36-degree 30 line. This put an end to the arguments for quite some time. That is, until 1850, when California caused a similar problem.
The Compromise of 1850 stated that no laws would be placed on any land they won from the Mexican-American War. It also stated that California would be a free state, along with the city Washington, D.C. The discovery of gold in California attracted many people, so they could soon apply for statehood as a free state. There was much debate over whether California should be added as a slave state or a free state. Some people suggested that California be cut in half, the north part being a free state and the south part being a slave state. Zachary Taylor, who opposed slavery, thought they should just skip the territorial phase and just go to statehood. But it had to be approved by Congress, too. And the leader of solving this problem was Henry Clay. His plan was that California would be a free state, and so would Washington, D.C. This pleased the North. There would also be no laws placed on any land we received from the Mexican-American War. This didn't please many people, but they were tired of fighting, and Daniel Webster stated,
"I wish to speak today, not as a Massachusetts man, nor as a Northern man, but as an American. I speak today for the preservation of the Union. Hear me for my cause."
These two compromises were very important to the state of the Union and held America together until the Civil War and Lincoln's presidency. Henry Clay was the reason the U.S. didn't have to deal with civil war for so long, with his incredible ability to come up with fair compromises that both sides could agree on. Time skip!
December 21st, 2012. The end is near. In 2 years, build a shelter.